Hey you guys, we're here today at Best Buy for a Skate Everything Wars, Fetty versus Uzi Dan, because you guys wanted Uzi Dan, and Uzi Dan you are gonna get. I need to be on record here saying that I have a bad feeling about this, okay? I've wanted to go to Best Buy for one of these videos for a long time, but I've just had the feeling that they were gonna see us walk in with our cameras and say, get the bleep out. So we're gonna see what happens.
They might just come out right now.
Maybe we should have scoped it out.
So the teams today, me and Fetty versus Uzi and Rowan. Best Buy is slightly more expensive than normal stores we go to, so we're implementing a new $85 limit for this episode only. We're gonna have a 20-minute time limit. We're gonna be through there searching, and we're actually just gonna be moving fast so they don't come and like hunt us down. You're picking something for Fetty, you're picking something for him. We're gonna go back to the Braille house and we're gonna skate it afterwards. Any questions?
As long as we don't have to walk home this time.
You're going down.
Teamwork.
Oh yeah?
Haha.
All right, shall we?
Dirty Dan.
3,
21.
2, 1, go. Do you think I should just tell them straight up we're trying to film a video and that we're gonna buy something and we don't have any harmful intent?
I say you tell them that if you have to. How's it going?
All right, we're past level 1 of security. Fetty, have you seen the cameras they have here? They are literally zoomed in so far they could probably see what we're filming on the viewfinder right now.
Oh, those cameras.
Oh yeah, dude, those things are crazy. Damn, I've never seen you walk so fast. We're not looking at Funkos. We're not looking at Funkos. We're not looking at Funkos.
I'm going straight to the DJ section, dog.
There's a lot of stuff you can get here.
A bicycle?
Whoa! Why is this $1,800?
I don't know, but it looks kind of nice.
It's electric.
That's why it's 1,800.
Dude, why doesn't our workbench look like this? Oh, I didn't know Best Buy had skateboards.
Is that you, Mario?
Rowan, have you ever been here
Yes,
for this?
not for this.
What am I supposed to get here? iPod Shuffle?
Let's
I don't
go
have
here.
a lot of options.
This is why it requires creativity.
Good idea. A USB cable. Oh, actually, they got things. What is this? It's a Go lamp. This is actually sick. I don't know what it is, but
It's
I like it.
$250.
Oh, it's an Alexa, I think. What do we got here? They got toasters. Oh, a big boom box. How about this?
I don't
You
know,
know what?
is that-
Best Buy, I've been noticing, it's like you see something that would be normally reasonable price, then it's like this. Look at this is some kind of junky old busted thing. Oh, 280 bucks. It's like a briefcase or something.
Fetty, when's the last time you've been here?
With you.
With me?
Yeah.
Oh, a toaster.
I just bought a toaster and I had Egos this morning.
Have you ever had the Krusty's pancakes, like the freezable ones that you microwave?
No.
They're delicious. You would like them.
Hey, those are my headphones. I don't know what to get now. I mean, the toy aisle that's the place.
That's the best bet, but they already went through here.
Oh, those are dope.
Whoa, double barrel Nerf Deadpool guns. Incredible. I think we have to get something tech. I just don't know what.
Oh, a router.
Oh, okay.
Their routers are so expensive.
$97.
Or a
Oh,
ow.
oh, sorry. 77? On to something? 56.
57?
Okay, we're on to something.
Well, that one, that's like a spider.
We just need to find. Well, I really don't like spiders.
Whoa.
We just need to find.
Something big enough.
Yes, exactly. Like it can be a really cheap router. It just has to be big.
I did not know they had toys here.
I guess they do.
Hey, look at this. Is actually sick. This is a robot. I've seen it before. I don't know why. You just set it down and it won't ride off tables or anything like
Really?
that. Like it knows. Let's look over here real quick because they got some interesting stuff over here. They got washing machines. They got stuff and things. Oh, this is the section right here, my guy.
Oh, is this our
Chopping.
opportunity to skate a microwave?
I think it has some kind of particles in there that will kill you. But you know what? If he gets killed, I win, technically.
Play-Doh.
Discounted TVs anywhere?
Look, $12.
Dude, could you imagine if that thing was actually $12? We're definitely in the wrong section right now. Oh, speakers. Just look at the price tags. What is this? Oh, here. This is $39.
The woofer.
Never done a waffle maker.
That's a waffle maker?
I would really like some waffles
Why is it a
too.
vertical waffle maker?
Oh yeah, I don't know. Why? Yeah, how do you pour? I would get this, but I don't think you can skate it. Wow. 2018, y'all. Over here might be something. One of these fans would be sick. Like, I think they're sick just like for real. Oh, look, what is this? Look at it. Feel that.
Oh my goodness.
How does it work? It's empty. I don't know.
Where is DVD players? They don't sell those anymore?
Oh, I think those are over there. Ah, they have Alexa here. Been there, done that. I cannot believe no one has kicked us out yet. This is incredible. Oh, these are like scanners. What in the world? Oh, what are those?
What are those? What?
These things.
Mouse pads?
Are they really mouse pads?
I don't know. They look like a mouse pad.
Are you kidding me? What the heck is this? Oh no. Oh.
That would break.
Come on. We're trying to be incognito here.
They got bicycles at Best Buy. A skateboard.
Best bicycle.
What if I just pick this? He just skates a skateboard. They haven't done a shaver. A fan. A fan. Fan seems like it'd break. Ooh, what is all this? This is like the Beyond section in Bed Bath & Beyond, except it's Best Buy. You can't tell me this isn't the Beyond section. How would they have bikes at Best Buy? Or automatic lawnmowers?
What? It's like a Roomba for your
Oh
lawn.
my. You know, okay, fun story. I don't know if you want to include this, whatever, it doesn't matter. I had a business class for school and they were like, come up with your own invention. And I was like, automatic lawnmower. My teacher's like, that's stupid. Okay, who's stupid now?
For $2,700.
If it goes crazy, then it might kill you.
A printer.
Dude. Yes.
A printer.
So much yes.
How would I?
We probably just have to drill into it. We'll see if there's any ones that are like a little more expensive. This is 59.
79.
129. No, we gotta go back down there. That's where your price range is.
How's that $99? Let's be honest. This is
You
a
like-
Canon.
You like this one? Do they have it? No.
The Prisma Max TS6220. There it is, that one.
Yeah, I found it.
Is this what we're going with?
It's up to you.
I don't know how it's gonna work, but
I don't know.
Daniel's gonna hate me.
I like the idea.
What is this? What is this? It's like a Roomba? Why does it have
guess.
wheels? No, it's just a normal vacuum. Oh, I'm stupid. I don't think there's anything over here. Evasive maneuvers. They were on to us.
You want to head that way?
Where? Oh,
North,
I guess. Let's send it.
You know what I just realized, Fetty?
What?
The word laptop, it's because it literally is meant to go on top of your lap.
Yeah. You know?
How did I never realize this? Oh, hello.
Welcome.
I feel like we got really lucky. This is another one that I really want to skate. Is a freaking iRobot Roomba
Roomba.
thing. Yeah. I've always wanted to skate one of these.
They're gonna get some taste of ink with this one.
Oh.
It's a $20 DVD player. I think that's my number one. VCRs, still expensive for some reason. A printer, a little expensive. I think the DVD player looks pretty prime right now.
All right, let's check out that DVD player then.
Look at this, prime. This one's cool too, but this one. Yeah, this is like the cheap section. I like it. What is that? How is that an antenna? It looks like monkey bars. We could carry this around.
Let's look around a little bit more.
I know what's gonna happen. They're either not gonna find anything, or they're gonna buy like the dumbest thing ever.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, there they are.
Fetty, I think we're all good.
Yeah, we're good.
I think we can turn off our video and let them go through their troubles. But look at how confused they look over there. They're just completely and utterly lost in the TV section right now. Watch out! Hide. Oh, he has something.
Look, another cube. Cubes are the hot thing nowadays. Cubes, so hot right now. The only thing is the aerodynamics on this are all off.
But it
Because
folds.
it's two pieces.
It folds.
So what are you saying? You put trucks on and fold it over the top like a sandwich?
You could?
Why is this music so sad? It's getting me in my feels. I'm not crying in Best Buy. You are. What is all this stuff? I don't know. How, a germ guardian? What is that?
It's the same thing, but it's like 60.
It can clean the air while you're skating.
Yeah, true.
We do need clean air in the Braille house.
Very true.
We got this game in the bag. We've been done for many minutes.
You got a bag? Wait, if it breaks, we lose, right?
Yeah.
Why don't we get the air cleaner? It won't
Do
break.
you want to get it?
It seems boring. It's a big cube. But you know what? Look at this. Here is plankton. And what do krill? And they filter through so you don't breathe them in.
So we're gonna try to turn this printer into a skateboard. You think it's gonna work?
Probably, yeah.
That's the most optimistic anyone
seriously,
has ever been.
no one has ever believed in us.
But what about
Most people say good luck.
Are you gonna do anything with the air purifier?
We're gonna skate that too.
Oh, okay.
The only thing we're not skating is the ink and the batteries.
You know how we did the rail with Legos? We should do that with batteries. Why not?
Fun fact. One time when I was little, there was a battery on the ground. I had a scooter and I stomped on it, the battery really hard with the wheel, and it blew up and it went, and the stuff went in my eye, and I thought I was gonna go blind.
That sounds like about the most you thing you could ever do. Wait, what is this?
Boring.
It's an air pure. Wait, can you plug it in real quick, just for
It cleans the air.
a scientific experiment?
I have one of those at the house.
Why did every hand just go? Does it smell good?
Cleans the air.
Smells like you're in
Wait,
a store.
wait.
It
So-
smells like
Wait,
you're
you
in a
have it.
store.
You don't have it set. It has to be set to what is it?
no.
October.
I've never had pure of air in my life.
Oh, it smells so good. It smells like the inside of a pool place.
Oh wow, dude, that is really nice. Hold up, I don't want to skate this.
Gabe. Look at this man with his mohawk.
Oh wow.
You have to do the whole video like this now, Gabe. That's the thumbnail right there.
Where does all this hair hide?
Dude, surf the waves, bro.
So pitted. So we put it on the flat spot.
No, the instruction.
Backwards. It was a test.
Make sure they're straight.
Whoa, thank you. Oh, never mind. Didn't say it.
Wait for this.
That's terrifying. It's gonna last about 3 seconds.
I'm gonna go straighten up over there.
Okay. Did it do that before?
No. Well, that's not good.
Didn't sound good.
None of this sounds good. Good luck.
Come on. Oh, much clear. Oh! Had a little spill.
No! That is an air purifier, but that is everything but pure. The build is done. We have the air purifier versus the printer. This is all Best Buy could offer for under $85.
This is the worst buy.
Well, you guys are gonna play a game of skate now
Why?
on the 2 death
The
contraptions.
death trap.
Well, let me test this one real quick.
Death trap meter rating. What is it? What is the death rating on this one?
I'm gonna give this one a solid 8 out of 10, and this one I'm gonna give a 6. All right, go ahead, Rochambeau. All right, Uzi is first.
Well, I heard a lot of shattering.
You broke something.
It sounded not good. Oh, uh-oh, what have I done? What did you say about Pandora's box? Can't you not close it when you open it? The wheelbase is a little problem.
That is so sketch.
Hashtag unskateable.
Oh! Count it.
He tried like 10 times, but I'll still do it.
It's too easy.
Shove it. Wait, full park, right?
Yeah, full park.
This might be my best idea yet.
I cannot believe he did that. Are you kidding me? Wow.
Ladder.
Sounds like a bunch of Legos.
Oh!
Well, we know who made the better skate obstacle,
Yes.
so I'm a winner here.
Whoa.
So anything counts, right?
Dude, he nailed that.
Full sand, man.
Huh? You gotta roll away clean.
Wow. Should try that?
Yes.
I knew there was glass inside. Well,
Clean up on aisle Euro gap. Thank you.
turns out it was not Legos.
Straight up glass.
You made me sit on that?
I was having so much fun. Why would you stop me?
Well, just
All right, you guys. Well, we are gonna give Uzi another try on that because the glass broke and got everywhere, and it was just dangerous. I would have bailed anyways, especially because of the glass. So we're gonna give him another try. Good. It really looked like you were going for it, though.
I was going for it.
I mean, I know, but like, it really looked like you could have done it. All right, what's your trick?
Nollie, shove it. Nope.
Primo stall, is that a trick?
Yeah.
Do I have to land the primo stall? Or just get into primos?
You'd have to say get into primo stall.
Get into primo stall.
Mario, you almost died.
I'm definitely getting out of here.
Yeah, go,
I'm
go,
gonna-
go, Mario.
Nollie, shove.
Get into primo. Stand there for 3 seconds. What? I didn't try it. Let me get balance up here first.
All right, now I show it.
Primo.
All right, you got it.
Monster flip.
Call it the Primo next time.
3-stair? I think I needed to go faster.
Monster flip to Primo?
Monster flip to Primo.
Oh, now it goes regular, of course. Good. Oh! Oh no, Rowan.
Front revert thing.
This looks like one of the battle bots on that TV show that lost. Just got annihilated.
Yeah.
He did it.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, backside revert.
Oh, hold it. Count it.
Look at my truck is broken.
Your truck is fully turned sideways. Good.
I'm gonna go for the monster flip Primo.
Why?
Cause I can't.
Uzi's over here taping his printer.
When in doubt.
Oh! All right, you got to do a monster flip and land Primo.
Monster flip and land on the wheels.
Oh no.
I think this is the ender, right?
Yes.
All right, 3 show.
Oh! Perfect.
Dude, look at my shoe.
Oh no.
It was like stabbed.
This is not a good idea.
Ow.
What even was that? Gotta finish!
All right, you guys, from the deep depths of Best Buy, we found an air purifier and a printer. It did not last, and neither did Fetty's shins.
Yeah, they're good, yeah.
Yep. But that was an incredible amount of fun, a lot harder than we thought to skate a printer. This one was just about as hard as I thought it would be. But Fetty,
sure?
the Monster Flip to Primo was really, really good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That's probably all I did. Oh, I did ride down it on my butt.
Best trick of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are all enjoying the Skate Everything Wars series as a whole. All these videos are super, super fun to make, and we hope you are having a great time watching them as well. So please subscribe, please like, and leave a comment below of any store you'd like us to go to. Anything like that, let us know in a comment below and we'll make it happen. Other than that, you can check us out all on social media at Fetty Potter, at GabeCrew01, at Uzi Walker, and at Rowan.Emery. And if you want to follow Carlos, it's at CarlosLastra_24.
Mario.
And at Mario SB95. Let's go, Kai. But seriously, thank you guys so much for watching. We really, really appreciate it. So I hope you get inspired to go out and skateboard, even if it's not on an air purifier or a printer. If it's just on a normal skateboard, that's okay too, because that's what we're going for here at Braille. What would you like to say?
And on this episode of Braille finds out what's inside. Whoa, what is that? Wow.